mud spots, coffee, ketchup, everyday spills, easy to make, stubborn to erase. Qrevo Curv 2 Flow, ending it precisely. Equipped with the SpiraFlow self-cleaning system, it keeps every roll clean in real time. With 8 hydration points, the system delivers an even, precise flow, while dirty water is continuously removed through the dirty channel. It's then collected separately, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring every clean uses fresh water. 2.5 times boosted pressure and up to 220 RPM speed, delivering deep, effortless cleaning with every pass. An extra-wide antibacterial roller mop covers more ground, reaching deep into edges. The innovative roller shield keeps water contained, protecting carpets from splashes. Designed for quick detachment and easy maintenance, cleaning has never been this effortless. Precision in every detail, performance in every moment. Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow. Let's rock and roll. Roborock Academy.